Hi, this is Spring Minky with Traits of Hope, your compassionate entrepreneur, and I am here with my beautiful assistants, Karis Minky. So we wanted to do an unboxing of the gorgeous 2018 spring gift set. This is an amazing gift set that says Mother's Day all over it, but it's also an incredible gift giving opportunity that you can purchase this set and also split up the things that are in it as gifts. So I want you to be thinking about that as you get ready for us to open it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Let's have my assistants. Oh, sorry, Karis. Okay, let's put it right here. First of all, oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous handmade. This is a handmade wood box. Okay, so let's open it up for you all. Karis, can you help me? There we go. Oh, wow. The very first thing that you're going to see in this box is a beautiful card. And this is showing you a gorgeous mama in Uganda. It says, you plus this box is changing lives. Because with every purchase of this set, reusable cloth diapers are being given to families in Uganda. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so let's see what's in it. First of all, everything is packaged so beautifully. Oh goodness, so Karis has already gotten into our silver Yasmin necklace. This is a really beautiful long, it hangs long. Okay, so look at that beauty. It's so pretty. And next, Karis, can you pull this out, please? We've got the Epiphany earrings. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Look at those. So pretty. They'll match with many things. And the last thing is a bracelet that is actually in our current catalog called the Warrior Cuff. This is gorgeous too. See that? It's actually adjustable, which is really nice. And the necklace and the earrings are both exclusive products in addition to this amazing box. These cannot be, the necklace, the earrings, and the wood box cannot be purchased any other way except together as this set. So I hope that you are just excited as I am to order yours and to be a part of all of the world change. You're impacting families in India who made the products, and then you are helping mamas and their babies in Uganda by being a part of donating cloth diapers. So thank you so much for your support and for watching. Go get your spring set while you can.